This is your simple step-by-step lead generation checklist cheat sheet. This will work if you're a beginner entrepreneur, affiliate marketer online and you're looking for something to follow. This is the right place for you right now. If you're an expert entrepreneur, this definitely will work because it can definitely give you that extra push and extra information that you may not have in your type of structure. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, your simple step-by-step lead generation checklist cheat sheet. You need some type of guide to follow in order to have progress in your business. And it starts with simple goals. Have a weekly budget for your traffic. You need traffic to be able to get customers to your business. So have a weekly budget. Is it $500? Is it $300? Is it $1,000? You definitely need prospects. So traffic is a way of getting prospects to your business. So definitely have a budget set aside each week. Now, the next thing is have some reasonable goals in terms of your business. How many leads do you want to have per week? What's the goal of that week in terms of how many leads you want to have? Is it 500 leads? Is it 1,000 leads? Is it, 3,000 leads? Whatever number that is, put that down, write down your budget and how many leads you want to go ahead and accumulate each and every single week or even month. So set up your tracking to measure your progress and goal is the next thing. Now, you want to be able to track your business, and tracking your clicks to your website is a great way of starting. Now, right below this video, I do have a free trial. You can go ahead and use Clickmagick in terms of tracking your business. Absolutely. You need to track your progress. That way you know exactly what you need to do next, and you can measure your results with Clickmagick in terms of tracking your clicks. And then also an Excel spreadsheet, something like that, where you can go ahead and track your profit. It can also track your budget and also track any type of income producing activities inside your Excel spreadsheet. So you definitely want to have a spreadsheet as well. Those are two examples I want to put down there in terms of tracking your goals and tracking your business with simple goals. So the next thing is you need a funnel. You got a business now. Now you need a funnel. So you need a way to obtain email addresses or phone numbers or anything like that. So a funnel is a great way of doing that. Now, landing page is pretty much a capture page of how you can capture some information from that prospect. And the popular way of doing it is the email address. Now, have a good headline of where it can grab the person's attention. How to get 100 leads per day, even if you're brand new on social media. That's just an example of a headline, but something can get them an idea of saying, you know what, I need some leads to this actually business. Let me go ahead and put my email address in there. And that's a good way of getting their information. And then the design could be clean, could be simple, doesn't have to be all professional. Something away can get that person attention, very simple. Now this page is your video bridge page. This is optional in your funnel. You don't have to use this, but it's a good way of building a relationship with that prospect. Now, once again, you need an effective headline at the top, and then a 60-second video hook that explains your product. It talks about your introduction, and it talks about solving the problem in the marketplace within your video. And also use once again, a clean and simple design with a call to action button. That button's very, very important because you want to have that button for someone to click to and they can go on to the next page. Very, very simple. The next thing you want to think about is a lead magnet or lead magnets at the S at the end of that. It's a good way of actually creating value for that prospect, can give them their email address in exchange. So you want to be simple and easy to understand. A lead magnet can be like a video series. It could be a checklist. It could be a cheat sheet. It can be some type of spreadsheet. It could be a webinar. It could be so many different things of how you can obtain a lead magnet. I did a video based on so many ways you can use lead magnets to grow your business. And I had like so many different ways of what type of lead magnets that's working right now. So check that video out as well in my type of library. So basic lead magnet or create those a good way of building relationship and also offer something for free in exchange for their information. So the next thing we want to talk about is traffic. We talked a little bit about traffic earlier today, but this is just some examples of what type of traffic you can use. Solo ad marketing traffic is a good way of building your list very, very quickly. And then social media, you can do the organic traffic, which is basically, more like the free traffic is using your time. It's using your time a lot. So you're not paying for that traffic. You're doing Facebook Lives, Facebook posts, you're doing Twitter posts. So you're doing different things in terms of attracting people to your business. And that's not necessarily taking money, but it is taking time away from you. So you are paying it in some type of way. And then also social media paid traffic. Now you are paying for this, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, and it's definitely a good way of growing your business in terms of using this traffic. So just choose one traffic source and then you'll be good to go in the very, very beginning. And then emailing, you want to grow your list, segment your list, and send value to your list. So the email marketing section here, get your email marketing autoresponder. Right below this video, I do have a recommended autoresponder for you can go ahead and use, so you can go ahead and grow your business, grow your list, and send value to your customers. Now you want to create a follow-up series as well. So that's a list of emails that automatically goes out to your prospects when they go ahead and sign up under you. And then also you want to broadcast your leads with value and content. So you want to send daily emails to your prospects each and every single day that's about your business, your service, or how you can solve their problems. So email marketing is very, very important in your business, especially in your strategy. And then also the next thing is your content plan. You always want to be producing content that's talking about your business and your strategies. So choose one social media platform at a time. Don't try to do all these different social media platforms all at once. Choose one. Choose a YouTube, choose a Facebook, choose a LinkedIn, and then zone in right to that one in the very, very beginning. And then you can add on as you go along. And then provide content to attract people. And then also use stories, social media posts, and videos for your daily and weekly content strategy. You definitely want to do that because you want to be able to have people a way of you can give them value, and that's going to help your business out each and every single time. So you need a content plan in your online business or any type of business. You should be always producing content. And the next thing, you want to measure your traffic and lead generation. Let me move my picture down just a little bit. So you want to be able to measure your traffic lead generation strategy. You want to go ahead and measure your website visitors, what sources they're coming from, if it's coming from organic, paid, or even social media or email. And you can use that by using Clickmagick. It's a good way of tracking your clicks, your website visitors. Absolutely. And then your leads by source, where they're coming from, what type of lead they're coming from. They're coming from a solo ad, if they're coming from a Facebook ad. So definitely measure that as well. And your conversion rates and your content performances. Go back and look over your information and see if this content was able to give a lot of value and you got good feedback from there. And as well, your conversion rates, you want to see if your open rates is doing very well in terms of your email, and is those leads becoming a sale based off your traffic, based off your email marketing campaign. So you definitely want to use all those metrics to make sure you're tracking in the right position. So always measure your traffic and lead generation. This will definitely work out for you today. So this is all I have on here in terms of growing your business by using a lead generation strategy. You need to have a checklist and a cheat sheet to have success in this business or any business as at all. So go ahead, watch this video again if you need to go ahead and review and get success in your business. And right below this video, I do have Clickmagick and an autoresponder free trials where you can go ahead and grow your business, grow your list, and do that today, not yesterday, today. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. And also, I've got more videos and information of growing your social media influence and your presence. So don't forget to check out those videos as well. And don't forget the free trials are right below this video, but you can go ahead and sign up for your Clickmagick account and your autoresponder email marketing campaign. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video.